Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Today we're doing an unboxing of the new mobile G3 smartphone. This is a dual camera smartphone with smart sensing finger technology. Go ahead and give it an unboxing here. This is an unlocked dual SIM phone, and it looks like one of the flagship phones that we've seen out there in the universe before. But now you can get it at a much better price of about $200. This comes with a 5.7 inch screen, 18:9 aspect ratio, and this aspect ratio is actually what most of the phones are coming with now today, so that's nice and modern. It has a MediaTek 2.39 gigahertz Octa-core CPU, comes with a whopping 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage space, so that's a lot for your photos and your video. It comes like with what I said, a 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel rear camera. So there's your dual cameras right there. Dual SIM unlock support, has a dual flash here. And you can put dual SIM, or you can put a micro SD card and a SIM card in there. The fingerprint scanner, which you saw in the back. And it comes with a huge 13 megapixel forward facing camera with a flash. So we like that a lot. We're gonna go ahead and boot it up. And while we're booting it up, we're gonna see what else is in the box. We like NUU Mobile. We've tested and used their phones for a couple years now, and they do send out updates. This phone has actually received 2 updates since I received it less than a month ago. Further inside the box, you'll see that it has a charger. Now this comes with a MediaTek CPU, so it doesn't have the Qualcomm fast charging, but it comes with a nice wall charger. It's nice and small. We like that. And it has a USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack port. So there is no headphone jack on here. You just plug it into the USB Type-C port on the bottom of the phone right there. And you have your microphone and your speaker here, and then your earpiece here, and the camera on the front like I showed you before. So that's booting up. And further inside, it actually comes with a case. So the case is nice. It's clear and it's form-fitting. We like the blue color of the G3, and we definitely like the front-facing glass as well. Also comes with this USB Type-C cable for charging and syncing with your computer, but most of us do the syncing through satellite or through the cloud connection now. So there's a USB-C Type-A and USB Type-C cable right here. So this is the phone. It comes unlocked, like I said. It comes with the pretty much a standard Android experience. Right there, you get some apps. We like that it doesn't really have any app bloat whatsoever. So you get all that extra storage space to load up your programs. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.